don't know, today I'm coming to you guys with a contact review with Unicoeye. I think that's how you say it. Unicoeye. And I purchased 6 pair of contacts for a total of basically $90. And I still haven't opened the package. I probably got this literally like 3 weeks ago, but I haven't opened it up or anything like that. So today I'm just gonna choose 3 out of the 6 I got and just do a review, and then I'll do a part 2 to it in another video. So if you want to, see that one as well, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I also went to the store to purchase some contact holders for my glasses for my contacts. Need something to put it in. And I also purchased some, stuff to put with the contacts to, keep it moisturized while it's in the contact holder. And I also had, this is probably the one I'm gonna use today because I already had this one left over from my old contacts. So I'm gonna use that one up. And then let's go ahead and open up the package, and then we're gonna pick out 3 that I'm going to do today. Stress. Okay. So they have them all in like separate packages. So it's like this. So a lot. I guess I did order a lot. So I'm gonna look at the colors in my email to see which ones I want to try today, so I can try like different colors. So because I think I might have chose some that was like closer to the same color, but it's like a certain color I actually like to wear already in my eyes, which is more like a greenish color. So I think if I have it right, it's gonna be Natural Vela, Ochre, and Mel. So, and then the other 3 will be done in the next video. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys my natural eye color. Just brown. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open up Mel first. And if you watched my my most recent Get Rid of Me video, I already was putting in some contacts, but it wasn't these contacts. I had got those from Color CO contacts, and I'm trying to think of that color. If I can't remember it in the video, then I'll probably put it on the screen or something, but that was one of my go-to colors that I love. So I think Mel was the color that I believe was like the closest to that one, because I need to repurchase some, and on Color CO their packaging and shipping was like way too much. Like, I don't know if it was because of what's been going on with the pandemic, but their shipping went up like so high, so I refused to order. And then with them I had got a deal. It was like buy 3 get 3 free. So technically I only paid for 3 and then got the other 3 free. But here's the contacts in the package. It's so much light for this window. Yeah, so let's go ahead and try it out. And I'm also going to open up this as well, so once I'm done I can pop them inside the case and get them in the solution. So this again is Mel, and as you see, it's a huge difference between my natural eye color and this one. And this actually really does match. I'm gonna look in this mirror right here too, but this actually really does match the other contact I have this color. So I'm glad, because it's one of my go-tos, because I think it looks really good on me. But I really like it. So I just want you to be able to see the comparison between my natural eye and then the contact. And most of the time people really think this is my eye color. Somebody asks like, is these my real eyes? I'll tell them like, no, it's not. But most of the time people are just like, oh, your eyes are really nice. And I'll just say thank you. Like, thank you. Appreciate it. But that's how it look. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one in. Here they are close up. Yes, these are really, really pretty, like really pretty. I literally slicked my hair back just for this video. Like, that's how, see, I want y'all to focus all on the eyes today. But these are really pretty. And these are literally like my go-to color. Like anytime I only brought contacts from one other company, so this is what I'm comparing to. And one thing I can for sure say I like better about these than I do for Color CO contacts. So these are Unicoeye eye contacts, and the ones I used to wear were Color CO. So one thing I noticed is that these are thinner. The contacts are thinner, so when I blink, I don't feel them in my eyes, like, at all. Versus Color CO's, theirs was a lot thicker, so anytime when I first put them in my eyes, I know my eyes used to water a lot, but like I have basically nothing coming out my eyes right now, and I just put these in. So that's great. They feel so comfortable. But I definitely like them, and they definitely cover up my dark brown eyes, so it does the job well. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next color. So next we have Ochre, and I just found out it says it on the box. I want to try this out next. Okay, so this one is Ochre again, and this is how it looks. Now in the picture, it's more like basically a lighter brown is how it looks in the picture. And so my natural eye and then the contact just look like a lighter brown. And here it is, Ochre with both in my eyes. So it's really pretty. This also looks very natural. I think if I wore this, that people would think this is my eye color as well. So my goal was to get contacts that I will wear out. I think I only got like one pair that I'm like, I don't know, because I just want to try something a little different. But so far, the contacts look very natural. They feel very good in my eyes. Like, they feel very good. So our last and final pair for today is Avela. I don't know if you guys can see in the packaging, but it's like she has like, well, the contact, I said it has like a black ring around it, if you can see that kind of. And I'm like very curious to see how this is going to look on the eye. So it's in this eye. Hopefully you can tell. I don't know if I can really see it on camera. Let me see if I can see it in the mirror. I feel like this one actually kind of looks like my eye. I mean, you could tell it's a little bit brighter, but like in person, my eye naturally has like a dark ring around it. And that's exactly what it looks like. I'm going to put the other one in, but it's like a brown, like with a black ring around it. Is what it looks like. I'm gonna put the other one in so we can see how it looks all together. Okay, this is how it looks. My eye is like watering so bad with this one, but this is how they look. So again, if you're interested in purchasing these contacts, I got them from Unicoeye. I'll put it on the screen.com. And again, they usually have sales on the site, so you can probably get a good deal as well. They had it where you can buy even more than 6. I think it was like you can buy 6 and get 6 free. I did the buy 3 get 3 free. So if you want more contacts and a good deal on them, they are definitely the place to go. No, I don't have a coupon code, even though I wish they would give me one, but I don't. But I really do like the contacts. They feel very good, very comfortable. Only thing I was like, they're so thin, but I think it makes sense because I don't feel them in my eyes at all. And if you're wondering how shipping goes for Unicoeye, they have an option. If you live in the US, they have a warehouse in the US. So all the contacts I ordered are from the US warehouse because I didn't want to wait for them to come from somewhere else and take a long time, especially because now the mailing has been backed up. So I did order, they have an option on there where you can look at all the US warehouse contacts, and they usually have all the ones from the other one, but they might have some that's not in the US one, but all the ones I wanted were in the US warehouse, which is great. So my package only probably took a week to come, a week and a half to come max, and I've been holding on to them for about 3 weeks. So the shipping definitely wasn't long at all, and the shipping was free because of, you know, how much I ordered. Again, I don't know how much it would cost for shipping if you don't order a certain amount, but it'll tell you on the site when you order. And I also, like I said in the beginning, I will be having a part 2 to show you guys the rest of the contacts. They are all different than the ones I just showed you. Today, I think I chose all the ones that look pretty much natural. So my next one, you'll see a little something different. So stay tuned for that. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And again, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're interested or you like watching clothing hauls, my next video after this one will be a clothing haul. So stay tuned. Go ahead and hit the bell and subscribe to my channel if you would like to get those notifications. And thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.